welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just gonna be like, showing my simple skincare routine. Okay, so the first product that I had is CeraVe. Okay, so this is really different from the one I normally use, which is Cetaphil. I'm running out of this, but anyways, I got this actually from Walmart. True Skin, a vitamin C. I have this toning mist that I also bought from Walmart. And I also bought this thing to wash my face with, and like it vibrates basically, but it doesn't have like a battery right now. I'm supposed to, I think, charge this, or it's a battery. I also got this one from Walmart. I forgot what it's called. This roller I also got from Walmart. So I normally like wet my skin before I use like the cleanser, but I think I heard from somewhere like not to do that. So first of all, I just make sure the water, my phone, the water is warm. Wet it like this, and then what I do is I make sure this is clean, like so. And then you can use a vibrator or just do it manually. So basically, that's something different, but anyways, so after I apply the cleanser, CeraVe cleanser, go ahead and wash my face with warm water. The next thing you do, basically try to make sure like I get rid of excess water from my face. I go ahead and I don't dry my face at all. I normally don't wait for it to dry. Put the toner first, like that. Okay. All right. So once I have done that on my face, not my shirt. The winter I like to use a lot, but sometimes if it's really sunny outside, if I put too much, just use it for my arm instead. Alright, so the video paused or ended. My sister was calling, but it's okay. I was gonna ignore her because you know what? Skin is looking fine. There you go. And just ignore my hair because my hair will be next. And just to be extra, I don't know, I like to use the roller sometimes if I have time. If I don't have time, I just use one. Or I just use my face and I just use my hands. I don't use any sort of makeup. It's because I can't find anything that really fits my skin tone. What I typically do, what is that thing called? Brow like pencil, and then I just try to make it dark a little bit, and then it's all set. But I will actually do that. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, this is what my face is looking like. So nice. My buddy. Hey, Baba. Oh, gosh, I can't get this. Hi. Oh, let me try to get the lighting correct here. Lodi Arch Rival Microblade Effect. Yeah, just make it darker and make it look like you have like makeup on. I don't have makeup on, and this thing needs to stop. Like, just for my brain to feel like I actually know how to use makeup, because I don't know how to use makeup. I use this thing, I got it from Walmart, because I just didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. And then obviously, like, just put on accessories to make it look all nice. I'll be just making a lot of videos. If you really like it, just make sure you like, subscribe, and, you know, share it with whoever. Just watch it yourself, or just do whatever. It's your life. It's your phone. I'll see you in the next video.